Hello, another day, another meal. I haven't done meal videos in a long time, so I'm trying to make up for it a bit. So I am making just a chicken stir fry for my family's dinner. I am actually making it a day ahead, so I'm not adding noodles to it at this point. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to chuck in, and I'm actually making this one up as I go along, and I'm trying to make it pretty healthy, meaning low sugar. So anyway, I'm going to start with some coconut oil to get things going, and that is melting nice and fast. I've got this up fairly high, ready for the chicken. I have cut up, for 10 people eating, it is almost a kilo of chicken. You probably wouldn't need that much. I'm going to be using a lot of vegetables as well, so there's a lot of chicken, and in that goes. I'm not worrying about doing it in batches, I'm just going to get it done. Soy chicken stir fry for my family of 11, only 10 who are eating it, although Daniel has started eating. Maybe I should blend some for him. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions for your favourite stir fry, leave them below. I'd love to hear what people are up to in the kitchen, and I hope this has inspired someone for making dinner this week or tonight or in the next month. Take care wherever you are. See you later.